In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in bulk in Monday.com. Start by opening Monday.com and signing into your account. Once you're in, go straight to the board where you want your recurring tasks to be created. This is important because the automation will only work on the specific board you set it up in. So make sure you're inside the correct board before moving forward. When the board opens, look toward the top area of the screen for the Automations option. Click on Automations to open the Automation Center for that board. This is where Monday.com lets you create rules that run automatically, including recurring task creation. Inside the Automation area, click the option to create a new automation. You'll now see a library of automation recipes and a search bar that helps you find the one you need faster. In the search bar, type something like every time period, create an item. You're looking for the recipe that creates a new item on a repeating schedule. Once you see that recipe, click it to open the setup window. This is where you define how often Monday.com should create tasks for you. You'll be able to choose the recurrence frequency. Depending on your workflow, you can set it to daily, weekly, or monthly. If you choose daily, the task will be created every day based on the time you assign. This works well for routine checklists or daily operations. If you choose weekly, you'll usually be asked to select the specific day of the week, like Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. This is useful for recurring team meetings, weekly reviews, or content planning. If you choose monthly, you can usually define the day of the month or a specific interval depending on the automation recipe available on your account. After choosing the recurrence frequency, set the exact day or interval you want. Be careful here because this determines the schedule for all future recurring tasks created by this automation. If you need several tasks to recur on different schedules, you may need to create multiple automations, one for each pattern. Next, set the time for when the item should be created. Choose a time that makes sense for your workflow. For example, if you want tasks ready for your team first thing in the morning, you might schedule them early in the day. If you prefer tasks to appear the night before, you can choose a later time. The key is to match the timing to when those tasks need to become visible and actionable. Now choose the group where the recurring items should be added. This step helps keep your board organized. If your board has groups for things like to-do, upcoming, admin, or weekly tasks, select the one where these new recurring items should automatically land. That way, every new task appears exactly where your team expects to find it. After that, enter the item name for the recurring task. This is the name that Monday.com will use each time it creates a new item automatically. Try to make the name clear and specific so anyone looking at the board instantly understands what the task is for. If needed, you can create separate automations for different recurring tasks, each with its own item name and schedule. That's one of the easiest ways to create recurring tasks in bulk, because you're setting up multiple recurring rules that continue working automatically in the background. Once everything looks right, click Add to Board to activate the automation. As soon as you do that, the recurring rule becomes active, and Monday.com will start creating new items according to the schedule you selected. To make sure it's working, go back and review the automation in the board's automation list. Double-check the recurrence settings, the time, the destination group, and the item name. Then monitor the board based on the next scheduled run. When the scheduled time arrives, Monday.com should automatically generate the new item for you. If you plan to create recurring tasks in bulk, simply repeat the same process for each task you want to automate. Open the automation creator again, choose the same recurring item recipe, set the schedule, choose the group, name the task, and add it to the board. Doing this a few times up front can save a lot of manual work later, especially if you manage repeated workflows every week or every month. At this point, your main setup is done, and your recurring tasks should now be